Hello everyone, welcome to part 3 of the Mac Pro server upgrade videos. So you can see that we are indeed looking at the Mac Pro server's video output on the monitor here, which is weird because part 3 was supposed to be setting up the clients to interact with the server. But I was going through the footage and I had the realization that when I'm backing up the computers to the drive, Time Machine just fills the drive with the backups. And so I have 8 terabytes of space, and all of that would be slowly consumed by backups of the computers. And so I then decided to kind of forego the backing up to the shared volume thing. But then at school the other day, I was looking at the OS X server kind of wiki. There's a whole section on how to back up to a shared volume. And when I was reading through it, there's literally a thing that says limit backup size. So we're going to do that quickly. So it says to go here, and then I have to go to options, and SMB sharing is enabled. And also before I continue there, if we go to the backups thing, I had the 3 folders in here. This is now completely empty. They're just going to back up straight into that. We're going to add the backups folder, and then permissions look good on that one. That was really stupid of me. Didn't look at the right thing. And then we right click on the name of the thing. Didn't know that this menu system existed. So if we go to advanced options, then we can share as Time Machine backups. And I'm going to limit the backup size to 720 gigabytes, and that just allows me to have more like snapshots or whatever it's called. And then we select SMB for the share over. Alright, looks like everything's good. So it's time now to set up the Mac Pro to interact with the server, and I'm going to be doing the same process on the MacBook Air, so I'm not going to show it twice. It's just going to be the Mac Pro. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to Users and Groups, and then you will get this, and then you go to Login Items, and then I have to click the lock to make changes. And now I am going to go into Finder here, and then AMS Server, and then we're going to connect to it. And then I'm going to mount Storage Pool, and that shows up there. I'm not going to mount backups just yet. So we go to Storage Pool and we add that. And now the server will automatically connect to the storage pool volume when I log in. So next we're going to go back to Time Machine. So I'm going to go to Select Backup Disk, Backups, and then Use Disk, and then I'm trying to connect, blah, blah, blah. And then it will ask me to connect. And there we go. So now Backups is my backup volume, and then it says Backup automatically. So now the Mac Pro will start backing up to that shared volume. So I'm not going to be backing up Boot Camp because that's just a Windows install with a bunch of games. It's not really anything that's, it's fine if I lose it. So yeah, you can see all of that is set up. So there's really nothing else to show because that's the only thing I have. In the future, I am going to be setting up calendar sharing and contact sharing and stuff, because iCloud does that, and I just kind of want to be more in control of my data, so I'm going to be setting that up, and I'll make a video about that. So anyway, with that said, that's going to be the end of the video. So thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.